माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के संजीवनी नेतृत्व को प्रेरणा मानकर माननीय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स तथा सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी, कानून तथा न्याय मंत्री श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद ने अपनी कर्मवीरता तथा संपूर्ण समर्पण से डिजिटल इंडिया के द्वारा भारत बदलाव के नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करके आत्मनिर्भर भारत के बढ़ते हुए कदमों को और भी ज्यादा मजबूत किया है। May I request the Honorable Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Law and Justice, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, to kindly address us.
महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी, Secretary IT Ajay Prakash Sahini, other officers, awardees, ladies and gentlemen. Rashtrapati ji, it is a measure of the challenging times we are in that I would have loved to welcome you in a huge function in Delhi, which we celebrate with great enthusiasm while giving the Digital India Award. But it is also a mark of great accomplishments. The Digital India Award today is being conferred digitally, including your blessings. Let me come straight to the challenging times we are in. When the pandemic started, there was no rail movement, there was no plane movement, and there was no motor movement. A question arose as to how to keep the country united and going. And the Prime Minister had entrusted me with all the departments concerned to keep the country going. The mobile, the telephone, the communication, and the IT, and the postal. And today is the time for me to compliment all the players, be it the communication sector, be it the mobile sector, be it the IT sector, be it the NIC, who all rose to the state government, the central government, who all rose to the occasion to ensure digital delivery of services. We came with the idea of Rashtrapati ji work from home. We liberalized all the regulatory ecosystem. And today, 85% of India's IT work continued uninterrupted, not only domestically, but also globally. But while we are awarding today's, those who are going to get the award, it is equally important, Rashtrapati, to understand that all the government system for which Digital India Award is given rose to occasion in a very, very extraordinary manner. Be it the state governments, be it the central government agencies, be it the district administration. Therefore today, we always criticize governance models and governance functioning. But today, as an IT minister, as a communication minister, in your kind presence, while Digital India Award is being given, I need to compliment all the unsung warriors who rose to the occasion. In particular, Mahamahim Rashtrapati ji, I would like to mention digital payment which kept the country going. I had given a benchmark to my postal department, Dakia, that you will reach the remotest part of India where there is no bank, there is no ATM, you will go with your Aadhaar-enabled payment and ensure payment to the poor people. And all that happened. At times we need to acknowledge that nearly 9 crore farmers are being given Kisan Mandhan at the click of a button. Whether it is GSTN, whether it is healthcare, whether it is contract tracing. Therefore, when we talked of Digital India, bridging the digital divide and bringing in digital inclusion, that was so evidently in play, so boldly during these challenging times. Therefore, all those who have been awarded have done a great job. But one particular thing, Mahamahim, I would like to stress today. The Prime Minister always takes the view that we have to reform, perform in order to transform. And Digital India was a transformative program, launched in 2015. 5.5 years down the line, pandemic was a big opportunity to test the efficacy of Digital India. And I would never say that everything was completely extraordinary. But the Digital India ecosystem delivered very effectively and substantially. Therefore, with these words, I can only say that this is a journey only half begun. Today's award, in your kind presence, gives us the encouragement and dedication to work with greater conviction. With these words, Mahamahim Rashtrapati ji, again my namaskar and pranam to you. You have been always a guiding light to the IT initiative. I hope we'll continue to have that. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Honorable Minister.